So I'm done with the patrol. Everything seems to be in order. It is still just past 7 o'clock in the morning. A lovely 1 degree outside with a slight wind blowing, making it a little bit more interesting. But yeah, that's part of living in South Africa and living out on a plot, is that your security is definitely a big priority, and making sure that your security measures are in place and in working order is very important. Just because you might be living in a town or something, it doesn't mean that your security should lack. So please make sure that your security measures are in place and good to go. So that's the end of this video for me. All that I have to now do is go and make a cup of coffee and see if Elma is awake, which she might be. But yeah, a cup of coffee coming up for me. Hopefully you're going to enjoy something warm as well. Stay warm, enjoy the rest of your day, and stay prepared.